Hello friend, welcome back to my new class on creation of new course through Udemy. So however we have many more portal and many more organization which are helping to create our online course and online lectures as well as online classes. So Udemy is one of them, and during the time and during this advance and this recent timing, we are using more and more technology, and everybody is familiar by these all online classes, and they are students are more interested towards this online classes, and nobody is going for the physical classroom. Basically the practitioner, professionals, developer, so they want online classes, and so that anytime, anywhere, any place they can learn, and maximum time they can utilize. So this is very useful for the teachers, trainers, that how to create a new course on any such type of the Udemy or Coursera or so on. So basically what happened when we have to start the new course, then we have to move towards the instructor site, and we have to go on instructor as a instructor, and we have to select the instructor as a course creator. So you will find following steps to create a new course. First of all, plan to course, and we will have to move on plan to course. And here we have some queries, we have to give some queries, and after giving these queries, we can move to the another step. And before these steps, we have to sign up on Udemy, and we have to create our account, and where we have to give our brief profile accordingly. So as I have selected as a creator and as a instructor, so I have given there the course, mentioned the course learn PHP, and our my target students are, I have mentioned here what will student learn in your course. So I have to mention here what we are trying to teach the student. And the second question, are there any course requirement or prerequisites? So we'll have to write here the basic qualification for doing this course. Suppose we have mentioned here programming in Java. So in the first question's answer, and then in the second question, we have to mention here the basic knowledge of C should be there with the student. If a student is opting this course, then he or she should have the fundamental knowledge of the C language. So we have to write here prerequisites means C language. And suppose we are talking about the web technology, then we will have to write here HTML, about the HTML and other things. So after writing the answer of this question, then we will add the answer, and then we'll click on this answer will be recorded. Who are the target students? So we will write here the students, and suppose we are making a course for the lawyer, then we'll write here lawyer. So accordingly we have to mention here the target student who is benefited by this course. And then the second one is the course structure. So we have to create the course structure. So we have to click on this button, and then we'll find the structure of the course, and how to create the structure of course. Then we have certain steps, and then we'll have to learn these steps. Accordingly we will mention here the course structure. And now the third one is the setup and test video. So initially when we have to start the course, then we have to upload a test video, our test video, how we'll create a course, how we'll create an online course. So our online lecture we will have to upload here. So we'll click on create test video, and then we'll move to test video, and then finally we have to upload the test video. Suppose I have given here, there are some instructions by the Udemy. There are 6 different steps, and finally we will have on this page, and here we will have one option, upload the test video. So we'll have some test video previously, already we'll have some test video, and then that video will be, we will upload here. So this is, you can see here, it is uploading, and as it will upload, then we will submit for feedback. So Udemy, within 24 hour or day or three, day, 1 day, 2 day or 3 day, after 1 to 3 day, he will revert us about our test video. If the test video is according up to mark according to the criteria of Udemy, then they will allow us for the creation of the new course. So this way we will have 6 steps, and we can upload the test video here. Now now see the film and edit here. So create the content. If we have allowed to create the content, we allowed for the course, then we will have this step. So here we can edit, we can create our content, and we will have this join the community, and we'll have this option. We can create the section here, and we can create and edit our videos. And this way on, in the next step we have curriculum option. So here in curriculum we'll have the different lectures about this way. You can see here lecture 1. So you will have to upload here the lecture, first lecture, and its description. Basically, suppose this is the related to introduction, so we'll write here introduction, and then we'll upload the first video. So it is our curriculum field, and then we have caption. So here the caption of our course, the title of course is learn PHP, and course subtitle, we will write here subtitle, and we'll write here the description of the course, what is in the course, and we have a number of things here, and basic information of the course. Is it in English language? Label, we'll write here label, and this is related to IT and software. And suppose in IT and software we have subcategory, different subcategory, and we can select here subcategories also. So these are the caption, means basic information which will provide with the course. So this is the ready-made template, and we have to mention only the things, and accordingly the Udemy will create our course, and it will display our course accordingly. And now the third major step, that is publish your course. And in this third step, we have this course landing page. So when we will select this course landing page, then we will have course in this course landing yeah, publish your course, and inside this we have pricing also. Course landing page will be displayed here, and where we can change our accordingly, and pricing is there also. So we can mention here price of our course also. So in US dollar, in rupees, whatever we are giving here, we are selecting here, accordingly the course will be started here, and price will be mentioned over here. So if you are intending to offer the course for free, the total length of the video content must be less than 2 hours. So we can mention here the free course also, we can mention here the paid course also. Please so you can see here, please select the price tier of your course below the click save, and the list price that student will see in other currency is calculated using price tier matrix based on the tier that it corresponds to. So so you can see here the instruction, and as per the instruction we can do accordingly. So here you can see here, please complete the premium instructor application here. In order to set the price for your course, you can set your course price as soon as your link payment method is approved. So it needs approval also. So this is regarding the price, and after the pricing we'll have promotion. You can see here the third one is the promotion, fourth is the course message. So for promotion we can do promotion or label also. We can promote our course to the student. So after pricing you can see at the promotion. So here the link of our course, and we can copy this link, and we can send on WhatsApp group of our student for promotion of our course, as well as we can send it to Facebook also, so that more and more student and population can get informed by our course, and so that they can opt our course also. So we have some coupons also. My coupon you can provide here. You cannot create coupon free course. You cannot create coupon for the free course. For free course we will not create coupon, but for paid course we can create the coupons. We can provide coupons to selected students. Suppose we have mentioned some condition, according to condition we can provide the coupon to the student and learner. So this is the coupon. And finally we have course message. So we can write here welcome message as well as congratulation message. So when the student will opt our course, then we will have some welcome message. It will be displayed on the screen of the learner. And after completing the course, we'll write here congratulation message or something. Whatever we are writing here, we can update it, we can change it. So this message will be flashed on the screen of the learner after completing the course, and it will be at the stage of starting the course. To write message your student, and that will send automatically when the join or complete your course, to encourage student to engage the course content. If you do not wish to send welcome or congratulation message, leave the text blank. So otherwise we can leave it blank. Otherwise, and in case we are sending some message, then we can write here the message. So these are the different steps which can be used for creating the course content. And finally, after doing all the things, we will submit uh, the course for review. So here welcome message, congratulation message, and finally we have submit for review. And after submitting, it will be uploaded to the portal of Udemy. And Udemy, the technical team of Udemy will check our detail our course proposal. If they found our course is up to the mark, then they will allow us to they will allow us for the creation of the course and generation of the course. And I think this is very beneficial in this crisis time also, where when everybody is following the social distancing. And it is compulsory. Online medium is very important right now. And our material, our experience is on the web, and it will be moved anywhere over the world. So we'll have benefited, and we will get benefited by this online course creation method. So guys, thank you very much. I hope that you like this lecture, this video. And I request you all kindly subscribe my video. And thank you very much. Thanks again. Please share and do subscribe this video. Thank you.